Best wireless HDMI transmitters enable cable-free streaming, reduce clutter, ensure low-latency video, simplify setups, and enhance flexibility for home use. My today's video is about top 5 best wireless HDMI transmitters that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at VisOut New Gen Wireless HDMI Transmitter. The VisOut Wireless HDMI Transmitter and Receiver delivers a genuinely effortless streaming experience, living up to its plug-and-play promise. With no need for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or apps, setup is instant. Just connect and start streaming with almost zero latency. The USB power design keeps things clean and portable, eliminating messy cables. Its impressive 360 feet, 110 meters range, powered by dual-band 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz technology, ensures stable and smooth transmission even through walls, making it reliable for both home and professional environments. The support for mirror and extended display modes adds flexibility, while the ability to connect up to 8 receivers enhances scalability for larger setups. Visual performance is solid, offering true 4K decoding with crisp 1080p/60 Hz output, delivering clear, vibrant, and lag-free video. Broad compatibility with devices like laptops, cameras, and gaming consoles makes it highly versatile. Backed by a 1-year warranty, it's a dependable, high-performance solution for wireless display needs. Now our second product is Bridal 2025 Upgraded Wireless HDMI Transmitter. This wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver stands out for its truly seamless plug-and-play experience. With zero-drop technology, it connects in seconds without Wi-Fi, apps, or complicated setup, delivering near-zero latency and a clean, cable-free workspace, ideal for both productivity and entertainment. The 328 feet, 100 meters range combined with dual-band 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz support ensures stable, interference-resistant transmission. The dynamic stability equalizer engine further enhances signal consistency, making it reliable even in challenging environments. Its flexibility shines through mirror and extended display modes, allowing effortless streaming from laptops, cameras, or set-top boxes to larger screens. Visual quality is impressive, with 4K decoding and smooth 1080p/60 Hz output, supported by an advanced LDS antenna for fast, stable transmission. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for travel or on-the-go presentations. With broad compatibility across multiple devices, this system delivers a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly wireless display solution. Our third product is Evitech Wireless HDMI Transmitter. This wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver offers a clean, hassle-free alternative to traditional cables. Its true plug-and-play design requires no apps, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth. Just connect and start streaming instantly. This simplicity makes it ideal for offices, classrooms, or home setups, while mirror and extended display modes add flexibility for presentations or entertainment. With a strong 328 feet, 100 meters range powered by dual-band 2.4G per 5G technology, it maintains a stable connection even through obstacles, though slight drops may occur with thick walls. Visual performance is impressive, supporting 4K decoding and smooth 1080p/60 Hz output with vibrant, stable image quality suitable for meetings, gaming, or movie nights. The inclusion of micro HDMI and mini HDMI adapters enhances compatibility, allowing easy connection to cameras, laptops, and gaming devices. Its ultra-lightweight, travel-friendly design makes it perfect for on-the-go use. Backed by a 24-month replacement service, it's a reliable, versatile solution for wireless streaming. Now number 4, YVQ 2025 Upgraded Wireless HDMI Transmitter. The YVQ Wireless HDMI Transmitter and Receiver delivers a truly convenient plug-and-play experience, removing the need for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or app-based setups. Its instant connectivity helps eliminate cable clutter, creating a cleaner and more organized workspace or home entertainment area. With support for 1080p Full HD at 60 Hz and 4K decoding, it provides sharp, stable visuals and smooth audio-visual synchronization. The 5G wireless transmission technology ensures strong signal stability with minimal lag, even when passing through walls or obstacles, making it reliable for meetings, teaching, and home cinema use. Wide device compatibility adds to its practicality, working seamlessly with laptops, PCs, cameras, and TV boxes. The ability to switch between mirror and extended display modes enhances flexibility for presentations, streaming, or multitasking. Its dual-band 2.4G per 5G system supports longer transmission distances while maintaining smooth performance in different environments. Compact and lightweight, it is highly portable, ideal for travel, outdoor events, or business use, offering dependable wireless freedom anywhere. And our last choice is Futuregal Wireless HDMI Transmitter. The Futuregal S8 Wireless HDMI Transmitter and Receiver delivers a highly practical and performance-focused wireless display solution. Its impressive 328 feet, 100 meters, range, supported by advanced LDS technology and dual-band 5G plus 2.4G transmission, ensures stable, interference-resistant connectivity even in large rooms, offices, or classrooms. This makes it highly versatile for both professional and home environments. The IT supports 4K decoding with smooth 1080p/60 Hz output, providing crisp visuals and fluid performance suitable for gaming, presentations, and movie playback. The plug-and-play design is a major advantage, enabling setup in seconds without Wi-Fi, apps, or complex configuration, while zero-latency technology enhances real-time responsiveness. That a standout feature is the built-in LED display, which clearly shows connection status, signal strength, and resolution for easy monitoring and troubleshooting. Additionally, the one-tap disconnect function enhances privacy protection, making it especially useful for business and confidential presentations. With broad HDMI compatibility and flexible mirror or extended display modes, it offers a reliable, secure, and user-friendly wireless streaming experience. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.